Good evening again, folks. What we've done now is put on a second motor onto the left side drive wheels, or left side wheel set for now. So I'll bend down to show the motor works. So here's the motor. The camera focus a little bit. See if I can get it all up in there. So there's the motor. For those wanting to know the motor stats, there you go. So it's hooked up like so. Freshly mounted up for now, and probably for a long time. So, sorry, let's get a bigger view. So now we have two motors going opposite ways onto the can crusher. And for now, I've got a little outlet stuff hooked up to a switch that'll power both and turn both on at once if I have this switch in the on position. No power. So we'll turn this on and both will turn. Ta-da! And if I were to turn this one off, the other one still spins. Turn it off here. Just gently glides to a nice stop. So if we just have this one turned on, before I do that, you might want to know how it's mounted. Those little screws there are mounting into the rubber of the left wheel set. And yes, there is just enough room to where I did not have to move this set at all. So a backed up view. So we got two pulleys, one going in either direction, just enough room. And with it off, we can see the gap, which is just a little bit of a gap. Not much, but I can go more. I just need to whittle out the wood some more for these holes. Move them a little bit more that way. So I'll just turn this motor on, and it does have a bit of a wiggle. I'll hold the camera steady. It's not much. Maybe you can see better from it this way. See the grooved wheels just wiggles just a little bit. But that's because, see if I can get it over here. It is possibly because the wheels are just a little bit out on the bearing itself, right down in there. I'll turn it off, and we'll see. I'd probably have to take this collar off just to see what's really, running it out. The bearings on these wheels aren't really spot on to 5/8. They would have to be shimmed up or whatever. Or I could possibly just return these wheels down just a little bit and that would make it work, or at least wobble less. But when both units are on, there's not much wiggle. Not much, but overhead view. Maybe the camera just isn't picking it up, but there's a little bit. So here's the pillow block. And now here's the left wheels. And both. I think it looks good. It's good for go. It's nice that they're both on one switch. And just to show the pulley on the other motor, it's a 2.5-inch pulley, and those arrows are going in the direction that it is. I'll show you again. Yep, arrows are going in the direction of the motor is turning. Alrighty, so as I always back up for a nice view of everything. There it is in all its glory. It's too late to do a pop can at the moment because it's a couple minutes to 11 p.m. In probably 12 hours I could do another one and throw some cans down it and see how it eats. Have a good evening and keep crushing.